What me I say is that everybody entitled to their own opinion. Vani, everybody chat people. You not chat nobody off the app like talk about TikTok or nothing. You understand? But before me not even got this Louise. Me and Louise was so close. Me and Louise was like was closest friends, Ivany. You listen to me?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Me past the life, I'm Mr. Raja. This is my opinion. I mean, no, I am not the only person that realized that. Him say him sick, no problem. Raja say him want $600. Me said, but this not look good. In my opinion, me and Sir Raja can do that by himself. Me I say it not, me say it look bad. It a go look bad, and I know says not me alone. Assume that.
Why if him not have it? Why if him not have it?
Hold on. That is my opinion of Ivany. I am saying, him say I need $600. Me never start my life for $600. That a 80,000. That a 80,000.
Why if him not have it?
But listen, me, Ivany. That is my opinion.
Yeah, you know why them a go say you're wrong, friend? You know why them a go say you're wrong, cause you're a Raja friend, and for you get up, go put.
No, but let me get to the point. Let me get to the point. What I'm saying is that Ivany, people are benefit from the app. Them not have to come number one every minute. And Raja is at a small ranker. So that is my opinion to say Raja don't really need 6 bills. You understand? That is my opinion. But however, my lady I talk about it. And lady asked me, I'm going to say, what? I said, what? No, I'm going to support him. Always the lady say, I don't have a problem with you supporting this man. I have everything right here, bro. I don't have a problem with you supporting this man, but me entitled for my opinion. You understand what me I say?
Yeah.
What me I say is though,